Alright, I'm going to go over your theme options real quick. So to get to your theme options, you can just go to Appearance and Theme Options. And we have a bunch of tabs at the top. So the first tab, Basic, is very basic, and you can just read the descriptions to figure out what these are. Things like the copyright text, and then some sidebar options and column counts for various items can be adjusted there. So then the shop portfolio is very similar. Things like how many posts per page for your shop, how many posts per page for your portfolio indexes, and then how many columns are in your shop, and then some more sidebar options under there. Then your social. These are pretty cool. Basically, if I view the live preview, I can show you where exactly they show up. So there's icons that are going to show up in your footer, and all you need to do is add the link to your various social media sites, and the icon will show up or disappear as you want. Also, there's a widget called Social Icons, and these will also work there as well if you want to use that. Then under Appearance, this is probably where you're going to spend the most amount of your time. So we've got the logo, then your logo width, navigation height, and some fonts. So let's go and just add our own logo and show you how it's done. So I have a sample logo right here I'm uploading. I'm going to select it. And the logo width of this one is actually 190 pixels wide. Your logo will vary, just check out how wide it is, and you'll need to type that in. Then click Save Options, and let's see how our logo has changed. Sorry, I'm just opening a new tab so you can see it. So you see our new logo is displaying there. And so let's look at this next option, navigation height. Basically, navigation height is saying, by default, it's set to a specific height, but if your logo is too large or too small, there may be a gap here or a gap under your logo. So we actually have a gap under our navigation. So for instance, the drop down doesn't go to the exact bottom of that area. So we just need to increase that number. So instead of 54, let's try 64. And then I clicked Save Options. And you'll notice it got a bit larger. And we're still a little shy, so let's go ahead and make that 66. And you can see we've got it there at 66. So just adjust that as you need. You may actually like it without that, but we just wanted to give you the option of making sure that the drop down appeared in the exact same spot that the live preview did, no matter what your logo size was. It just gives you a lot more flexibility there. Then under fonts, this would just be if you wanted to adjust the custom fonts used. Kind of simplifies things since we all pulled it out to one area. Then under our Tools tab, we've got tracking code that you can type in, which is just JavaScript. Usually, Google Analytics is really easy. You would just copy paste it in. And same with the CSS and JavaScript. The only catches are don't use the script tags, but use all the JavaScript inside of that. The script tags are added automatically. Then under slider, this is just your featured homepage slider, and you have all sorts of options such as turning autoplay on or off, how long autoplay shows up, and then if you want to disable these next and previous navigation items, or these thumbnail tick things down here, you can turn those on or off really easily under there. And that is your theme options panel.